Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today is another nice sunny day in Florida. It's in the 80s. Anyhow, we're going to make a quick dish. Penny requested it. I'm still tweaking my pan gravy, my mushroom pan gravy, that is. So this time I added some gelatin to it to thicken it up. There's no flour, it's 0 points. So we're going to use that. We got some zoodles already cut up. I got some turkey, some onion. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so right here, got my pan. It's heating up. I got my butter spray to keep this all healthy. We have here some diced up onion. This here's my mushroom gravy I made, and you can see it's a little gelatinous or thick, but that's because I used unflavored jello mix or gelatin, 0 points, and that's how I thickened it up pretty much. I got mushrooms in there also, and it has a little heat to it because when I made my mushrooms, I wasn't thinking, and I put some jalapenos and stuff in there. If I thought about doing the gravy, then I wouldn't have put that in until after. Anyway, and so here's my zucchini or zoodles. There's the fluid that's drained off. Here's the other star to show, this turkey, 99% fat-free, so that's all 0. And here I'm heating up my water for cooking the zoodles. This will go by pretty quick. So for the first thing I want to do is I'm going to take my gelatinous blob here and put it in the microwave. Oh, it tastes good. I was going to do this the other day, and we decided not to. We still had food to eat, so I put it in the refrigerator. That's when it really started to get gelatinized. Okay, so we're going to get to this right quick. Let me bring you guys around. Okay, guys, so I just want to show you. As you can see, I got my gravy out, and see, it's just a pan gravy. It's not too thick, not too thin, but it's a mushroom gravy. It's a brown mushroom gravy. So that's ready to go. Okay, this dish only has a few ingredients, and this is like our adaptation of, put some more spray in there. This is our, we made a recipe of brown gravy with spaghetti. I used to eat that when I was a kid all the time. My mom used to make that all the time. And it was back in the day, it was a cheap meal. So, but anyhow, I'm not going to put any salt or anything in this right now, because I think the gravy that I made the other day, like I said, that was just the juice, mainly the juice from the mushrooms I made, the sauteed mushrooms. I cooked about 2.5, maybe 3 packs of mushrooms, and I got about a little more than a cup of juice out of it. So instead of throwing it away, save it and make gravy. Because Penny's, with her trying this Weight Watcher thing, so many things are restricted. You can't eat this. And it's a nice little thing to be able to have a gravy. So I've been working on it, trying to keep it to a 0 point, but how to thicken it up and without flour and this. So this is what we're working with. Okay, so let these onions heat up a bit. And then we're going to throw in some turkey, and we'll be in hog heaven. Oh, I mean turkey heaven. Okay, the onions are pretty much done to my liking, so we'll put some of our 99% fat-free turkey in here, and brown this up with the onion that's in there. Oh, that's a special. I never got 2 pieces of paper with the turkey before, but it's always a first time for everything. Anyway, this will be a couple minutes, and this will be good and browned up. So like I said, this is a quick meal, easy. I'm not going to say it's the cheapest one on the planet, but it's by far not the most expensive either. Because the turkey, it's kind of pricey depending on where you go. can try to get just a turkey breast, but you know, they sell it to you with the bone on and everything. And you know, I should try that. I can grind up my own turkey, but for right now, this is working. And this is an Aldi brand turkey. It's a Kirkwood, I think it is. And for what we pay for this, we could buy two. No, we can buy two of these for the price of one that you get at the other store. So, same thing. So anyhow, that being said, all right, we'll be back in a couple minutes. Okay, my water's boiling, so we're going in with the Zoodles. I'm going to time this about 2 or 3 minutes, and they're coming out, so we don't want these to overcook. And they don't take long, but we don't want them mushy. So put it for 2, 3. Got my strainer ready, and as soon as those come out, bam. I think I'm going to add some bell peppers to my turkey. I got to have something else in there. Okay, I think my Zoodles are done. Let me give a taste of one, huh? Sure, time to go. Okay, let me dump these and we'll be right back. Okay, I don't know if you can hear it, but I got cold water running on my Zoodles to stop the cooking process because it'll keep cooking while we're sitting here. So this round turkey's almost done. Give us a few minutes, and as you can see, I did put some hot bell pepper in there. Just wanted some color. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so my Zoodles are in the strainer. My turkey's about done, so here we go with my homemade gravy recipe here. I'm pouring all that in there. It's a little over a cup, but that's all we need. And like I said, it gives my little queen a little change up on the menu plan here, see. And I'm just going to cook this a little bit and let it simmer, and it'll thicken up. It'll, you know, evaporate some of the liquid, and that'll be good. So we'll be back in a couple minutes, ladies and germs. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys another little trick. We're going to add a little bit of cornstarch to this. And that was 1 little teaspoon of cornstarch and then about 2 teaspoons of water, and I mixed it up. And that'll thicken this juice up a little bit. Because we had camera girl come give it a little once over. She likes the taste of it, but the juice could have been a little thicker. See, like I said, I'm still working on this, but if I can perfect it and keep it 0 points, because Penny's doing really good. She lost a fair amount of weight. All her labs are in the ballpark, so she's doing good. Want to keep helping. All I got to do is learn how to cook. All right. So we'll be back when we're getting when this is getting a little more heated up. I'll be back. We'll plate up and show you guys what we got. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to bowl it up, so we'll be right back and show you what we have. Okay, as you guys can see, plated it up, and I put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on there. It's not even 1/8 of a cup, but we're ready to see it at the taste test table. Okay, at the taste test table, assisted by camera girl, the one and only, almost here. So now let's get down to chowing down. I'll tell you, this stuff here, if I can perfect this 100%, I mean it's highly edible right now. Mm. 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 Mm-mm. Oh yeah, the gravy, the mushrooms, turkey, it's all in there. I got a piece of bell pepper, that last bite. We put some of that mozzarella cheese on there, got that. A delicious, healthy dinner that came from my wife. She thought it up. But it is delicious. And for those of you who want to try just doing regular packet brown gravy, knock yourself out. It'll work no matter how you do it. You can put ground beef in here too. So anyway, I got a bit of a mess, but I got to tell you, this is one delicious dish. When you're out and about, cover up, take yourself as well as others. Wash your hands. When you're out and about, use that disinfecting spray or the gel. If you have to go to another store, then do the same process when you come out. Keep yourself nice and clean and healthy. Don't talk with your mouth full unless it's another delicious dish just like this. Give us a like, share with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Little notification bell pop up when you do. You hit that, you'll be notified each time we put out another video. There's a little arrow down box right below the video screen there. Excuse me. Once you see that, hit that. The drop down box will come down. Give you a link to our Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page, as well as my daughter's artwork site page. And we'll give you a complete description of the ingredients, recipe, and how we put all this together. So, until next time, my friends, stay hungry, stay safe, and if you haven't got your COVID shot yet, please try to do that. So, until next time, stay hungry, and when you are, come back, we'll give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying we're out for now.